Hello everyone, my name is Hana Sharma and I am back with a new topic, the user defined function. So today is the introduction part. Let's get started. So first let's give the heading as user defined function. Okay, select heading and run. Okay, now first of all we will learn how to create a user defined function. So think creating a user defined function. Okay, this also as a heading we will give run. Okay, so now to create a user defined function, we use the keyword def and then we will write our function's name, like it's maybe my function brackets, and then what we want to print by the function we will write over here, print hello everyone, print something else we want to also, we are learning Python. Okay, so now we will execute and then we have to call this function. So we will give first the heading calling a function. Okay, let's give this as a heading run. We just have to write the function's name. So it's my func function brackets. Now if we execute this, we have our hello everyone, we are learning Python. Okay, because this is the value stored in that function, and when we are calling we can see the value. Okay, now let's understand this using an example also. So let's write the question first. So it's write a program to make a make result of three students and give the information of the school in every result. Okay, so let's select markdown and run. So this is our question. Now let's solve it. So first, write a program to make the result of three students and then give the information of the school in every result. So if you want to give the information of the school in every result, we have to we will make a function to make our work easy. because otherwise we have to write the details again and again in each of the students' results. First, we'll make our function def and then maybe info like this. This is my function, and then print first of all like information of the school. Now we want to print the name of the school and the address also. And New Delhi. Maybe this is school. This should be in the other. Okay, like this, then print. Okay, now the contact details we want to print the number. So we will give a random number. This is a random number, then print the email ID of it. Email ID, something like sent dot owner at the rate 5gmail.com. Okay, so this is the email ID. Now run this function, run this code, and now we have to take the input from the user because we want to make the result of the three students. Make a variable a, maybe x, and then input name of the student. Okay, then we have our a int input. Maybe we have to get the marks. I want the marks in three subjects. Maybe in chemistry, and then we'll just copy this, paste marks in physics, and then the last one. There are namely three subjects, so biology. Okay, so we will take the input. Okay, so over here we want to make the result of 3 students. So we will use the for loop for I, a variable, n. Just a minute. For I in range, and then range is 3. We want to make the result of 3 students to range 3, and then just fix this up, or it will be a syntax error with invalid syntax. Okay, and now over here we will write print to give space, and over here contact, call the function. We'll run this again first, and then we will run this. The name of the student may be Priya Agrawal, and in chemistry maybe 78, 89, 91. So we have got the school details for the first student. Now it's asking for the name again, so maybe Akansha Sinha, and then chemistry maybe 78, physics 90, 89. We have got the school details again first over here, and then over here we have got this. So we have to make, because we have given the range 3, so the last time I'm putting the name, Rajiv Kumar, and then one. Okay, we have got the school details 3 times without writing the school details again and again for each student. So this is how we can use the user defined function, and it makes our work easier. Like if we want to print something multiple times, we use this function. Okay, and we have learned about creating a user defined function, calling the function, and how can it be used, we have learned about. Thank you. Let me get new topics for you.